Yo, what's up? So we are back. So later tonight at 1 a.m. It's King and Queen Premium Live event. Now, we all know who's in the finals. It's from the King of the Ring. It will be the Ring General Gunta versus the Viper Randy Orton. And from the Queen of the Ring side, it will be Nia Jax versus Lyra Valkyria. And those two King and Queen finals participants, winners will get a shot at the world title at SummerSlam. Now, this is great. This is from the announcement of Triple H. Of course, Triple H just made an announcement last night on his social media that the winners of the King and Queen tournament will receive a championship match at SummerSlam. Now, who am I rooting for at King of the Ring for the finals? Now, I will be rooting for the Viper, Randy Orton. Now, let's face it, Randy Orton has accomplished a lot in his career. He became a 14-time world champion, a 1-time United States champion, a 1-time Intercontinental champion, a Money in the Bank winner, 2-time Royal Rumble winner, but never King of the Ring. Yes, for all of Randy Orton's accomplishments, main eventing numerous WrestleManias, competed in a number of triple threat matches, 14-time world championship, 1-time United States champion, 1-time Intercontinental champion, 3-time tag team champion if I'm not mistaken, twice winning the Rumble match. Randy Orton has never been King of the Ring. That's the one accolade that he's accumulated in his career. He has never won the King of the Ring. He never won King of the Ring. But Randy has a chance. If he wins, he will face Cody Rhodes at SummerSlam, which basically makes sense because Cody Rhodes' championship storyline has no story going forward. He will defend his WWE Championship against Logan Paul later. So, yes, I'm rooting for Randy Orton for the finals at the King of the Ring finals. But in the Queen side of things, I will be rooting for Nia Jax. Yes, I will be rooting for Nia Jax. Alright, so, yeah, later we're gonna find out who wins the finals of the King and Queen tournament. And the winners will be granted a main event shot at the championship at SummerSlam. This is great. SummerSlam is just like 2 months away. We're just 2 months away for SummerSlam. And yeah, man, this is so great. A great announcement for Triple H. So follow for more and subscribe for more wrestling news and gaming news dyan.